Let's talk about time management of the process to create a prosthesis. As things stand at present, you have to make molds and send them to a laboratory wax rolls to determine occlusion relation and vertical height. Send back to the lab to start making try-ins. Sometimes this process takes weeks. Now, Boneeasy has released a brand new solution that make all these steps in less than half hour without the need of a dental lab.
QuickSmile by Boneeasy's.
Welcome to Boneeasy QuickSmile. Let's walk through how to achieve a complete smile reference in just one session. Step 1. Aesthetic selection. The patient selects their preferred tooth shape, triangular, square, or oval. Step 2. Dimension selection. The dentist selects the best arch size from small, medium, and large options. Step 3. Tray selection. Pick the corresponding Schneidermaker tray for the procedure. Step 4. Wax addition. Apply red wax to the tray to define the patient's occlusion height. Step 5. Teeth positioning. Push the chosen teeth into the wax for a preliminary setup. Step 6. Silicone. Apply silicone and seat the assembly in the patient's mouth. Step 7. Adjustments. Fine-tune the medial line and the occlusion plane for a perfect fit. Step 8. Patient approval. Take a picture to show the patient their new chosen smile. Step 9. CBCT scan. The patient undergoes a CBCT scan with the QuickSmile device in place. Step 10. Digital planning. All references are instantly available for precise digital implant planning. QuickSmile. Zero to smile in just one appointment. Faster, simpler, and more efficient for you and your patients.